Hello YouTube. My name is Ben Brady and I am the 3D Printing Texan. We live in a small town here in Caldwell County, Texas, where there's not much to do. Life is pretty laid back, so I spend most of my time playing with my 3D printers. I've got a CR10S, an Ender 5 and an Ender 3, three Ender 2s, a DaVinci 1.0A, and then I've got a Wanhao duplicator i3 that's in need of some repair, and a Velleman K8200 down here that needs some fixing, and a Tronxy XY-X3 that I don't know what I'm going to do with yet. We'll see. And that all may factor into some of the content here on the channel. So we are in the process of putting together some things. We are doing little projects, like for example this little piece here. I developed this last night. This little project is for an Ender 5, and it will factor in greatly in the success of your prints if you're using Octoprint. This is a little device that I designed to keep the cable plugged into the front of the machine, because it's really easy to knock the cable out. I know this because I've done it already. The printer is less than a week old and I've already killed 3 prints using Octoprint by knocking the cable off the front. So I said, you know, there's got to be an easier way. And so I use a product called Design Spark Mechanical. And the reason I use it is because it doesn't require a constant internet connection, and it just makes life a lot easier. So here's my project here, and this is the final project that's up on Thingiverse. So feel free to download it, especially if you own an Ender 5. And if for some reason you decide you want to obtain the master files to make any modifications, please go ahead and post a message in the comments here on YouTube, and I'll be glad to get in touch with you and figure out how to get the files to you. So once again, I'm the 3D Printing Texan, and we are in the process of getting this channel ramped up, and we will be producing some content real soon. So thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting. Please be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications for when new content is applied to the channel. And we look forward to interacting with you and doing some interesting things with 3D printing. We're going to look at software, we're going to look at design, and there's going to be some interesting things. It's not going to be your run-of-the-mill YouTube 3D printing channel. Take care. God bless. My name is Ben Brady. I am the 3D Printing Texan.